So it's strange because the power's off. It's off at the wall. I have the plug switched off. Which is why the printers are all off and everything. And if I move my mouse, it stops. Listen. So it's definitely the computer.